Hello, teacher Paulette. My name is Kit. Story 8. Just the way you are. Sometimes it is fun being told. Sometimes it is not. Sure, I can always great things from my mom, dad, sister, or teacher. But sometimes I would rather be short. I am always the tallest one pictures. Sometimes I wish people didn't notice me as much. Another boy, John, is the short, shortest kid in our class. He told me that he wished people didn't notice him as much either. We became friends because we felt the same in a strange way. When we play basketball together, people say it's a lot fun to watch a game with the school tallest and shortest boy on the same team. It's true, you know, you can be too tall or too short. It's just the way you are.